want my fruit. That banana. Time for get loose. Give me what I wanna. Want my fruit.
Yes, man, viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Stola from here, the Vice, you know how it is. Jada Kingdom drop a tune called Banana and she have it on an Afrobeat type thing. And me I tell her, say, yeah, it a say something. But right now, me I tell her this a triple X, but you know how Jada get down on the body, they pan flame.
Answer your phone for me. Baby, I've been calling. You are the one plenty. Give me the Kevin D. Too hard to sleep alone. Please don't show off no more.
Viewer, subscriber, when a cat here tell you say you fi come thump it up like Rocky Balboa. When a cat here tell you say yo, you fi come round, come beat it up. Them kind of girl, they are my kind of girl. But right now we say we are gonna go down deep in a Jada. But before we do that, we are gonna run the intro, so walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Stola. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at DJ Stola. Said nothing more, your boy one.
Come give me how I want. I made my bumper roll. Call me sexy body.
Viewer, subscriber, when you have a catty like Jada tell us say yo, bring your big ever long thing come put it down and make a whole body roll. You see me? You know say boy right now you want a ganja play for Magnum and 2 Guineas. You know say yo, a marathon you go for run. You see me? But right now, apart from that, we say X amount of respect goes out to a catty when no say boy, you see when them want them things and you have to put it on.
Eastside J ain't not from Cali. On the weekends, put it on me. Tell your gal go soak our mommy. Ay, off for push the bodies, cause you know you did me pop.
Viewer, subscriber, here what make me love girls like Jada now. Cause me love a girl when no say yo, can stand up for them thing, can defend them thing. Jada make you know say yo, a east side J me come from and not from Cali. So if a girl a go this him, we tell a girl to go suck her mama. And we have to say X amount because we love a girl when we say yo, if I saw it go, I saw it go.
Been trying to make me wait till morning. Big man, you just try to make sure me get my fruit. That banana. Time for get loose. Give me what I wanna. Want my fruit.
Viewer, subscriber, she a tell us say yo, she now wait till morning before you decide where you do doggy. Saying, she come here for you go Rocky Balboa upon it. She a make you know say yo a all night thing. You see me? And right now we say yo, when you get a girl like a them ya, where you know say yo, want you to put it on, want you to turn it up. Dog, you have to turn it up. Cause you see if you don't turn it up, somebody else a go turn it up for you.
Can't take the bag of chatting. You know what I've been lacking. Run it on me like patient. Tryna take this for plating. Love when it's circumcising. Peel it off for someone like it, yeah. Want for ride it off nightly, yeah. Slide it right up inside me, yeah.
Viewer, subscriber, you see what me I tell you? She a make you know say yo, she not come here so all night for chat. She a tell you say yo, slide it up in there. Make she wind up on it. She come for the work. So she a tell her say, yo, give her the banana, make she feel it. Put it up. Shove it up in the belly. And make it all like cramp up. Can mash it up.
I put my body. You're the man, my call you poppy. You're the realest boy you have me. Tell your girl, man, not gonna know it. I for push the badness, cause you know that it be pop.
Viewer, subscriber, and that me I tell her say them kind of girl yeah, them can defend the thing. Cause she say, yeah me know, you are the man. Give me the thing and make me ride it. Slap up a body. Tell your girl me now, go nowhere. You me a call papi. And we a say, yo, Jada, we say X amount. Because right now you see that the body there, a fire upon it. But hear me viewer, subscriber, right now we say, it's your boy Stola. We said don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more. Your boy Stola one. We out.